Hi guys, so let's start our project. So I'm gonna go step by step with you to show you everything I'm gonna do from zero to until we finish everything. So this course is a little bit long, but I'm gonna go through in details. First thing, what I'm gonna use, show you what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this ring. I made this ring by myself because I really wanted something to protect my hand. Of course, you can find it in Amazon, but actually I couldn't find it where I live anywhere, so I decided to DIY one from the the handmade wire that we use for accessory and anything. I love doing accessory, as you know. If you watch my other courses, you know that I love doing handmade stuff in general. So I made this one. I'm gonna link it in. I'm gonna add the video in this course. Actually, it's a YouTube video from my channel, Mimi's Makeup, but I'm gonna add it to this course if you wanna make a DIY for this one. And of course, you more than welcome to go and check out my channel, Mimi's Makeup. It will be in my profile, and if there's any description here, I'm gonna link it. But it's Mimi's Makeup on YouTube. So this is the ring that I'm gonna use because it will save my finger from the yarn going around, because I love doing crochet and using a lot of yarn, especially the a wool yarn in winter really hurt my fingers. So I decided to create one. Really helpful if you do a lot of crochet. Okay, and of course this is my crochet hook. It's 5mm hook. It's a little bit looks not clean, but it's clean, but because I use it a lot, that's why the color is a little bit changing. And this is the tail of my yarn. And of course, let's start the first thing. So yeah, this is for the introduction for this part of the course, and let's go to start our first thing first.